Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create that uh, image and animation of I'm going to call it the bubbles to text thing. And it's basically a copy with some modifications of someone else's video. As you will see in the link, I'm using Blender 3.1.2 for this thing. So let's get started. First thing I want to do is I want to do a Shift A, add mesh cube, and then I'm going to create the modifier for using geometry nodes, and then I'm going to steal the old geometry nodes that was used by that guy and delete the old text. If it'll let me. Come on. There. Okay. So Control space key to open up this particular screen and show you what's on there. And I'll do a quick recap of what it is. So there's two copies of this set of nodes here, and they're both keyframed on this value here, one of which is keyframed at like 10,000. Okay, keyframed starting at 0, the keyframe a value of 0 in the middle of the video, keyframe a value of 10,000 for this one, and 20,000 for that one, and then back at the end it's keyframed again back to 0. And so in order to produce the two different materials or the colors, you give it this guy here, material 1 and material 2 for the little bubbles. So I'm going to do some work on this thing and clean it up a tad before we start adding some magic to it. So I'm going to pull this guy out and pull this guy out, because in one case I found I didn't care much for the random height effect. All right, do a box select and then a Shift P to boxify it. Is that a word? Probably not. Another box select, Shift P to boxify that one. And then this one here, since they're both exactly the same, we want to get rid of this guy. And I'm going to box this one just to put a nice title on it here. What is this? Item? Come on. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So this is the random height. Oh, well, I guess I didn't. Yeah, okay, fine. I was going to put a box on it, but it don't matter. So you can mute this one if you don't want the random height effects. Now let's go through and add the secret sauce to make this a little easier to change the text. Okay, so we need to remember where those guys are at. Good old node wrangler, right click, control right click and cut that guy. We're going to use this in a moment. Shift A, add string to curves. Let's get this out of the way here. We need a little more room. Okay. Shift A, add, rotate, instances. Shift A. Fill curve. Shift A. Oops, what did you just do? Shift A. Transform. Right. And this is going to be so easy here. All right, so this is our string guy. Makes the string. Okay. And in order to give it a nice input, we can go like so. Okay, Shift Control, and we'll go back and look at it. And as you can see, it's in there. So what we want to do is, let's do a rotate 90 degrees to make him set up. I'm going to mute that random height, as you can see. And then in case you need to raise it up a little bit, you might want to put, oh, I don't know. Yeah, something like that if you have a base for it. Now let's see what we got. Yeah, that's it. How cool is that? And what this does for you is it allows you to change the text, the string. And as it says, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.